After the skin has been exposed to the sun in summer, the melanocytes are very active. As we move into autumn, the skin becomes more and more dry and tight, and the spots on the face will become more and more obvious. Autumn is also the golden season for spot removal. Next, we will make an inventory. Beauty treatments at CP level in autumn. 2. It's time for spot removal. Why is autumn suitable for spot removal? First, the temperature drops in autumn and everything goes dormant. At this time, if you do not whiten skin or remove spots, melanin will accumulate, which leads to dark spots that deepen and get worse by the second year. Secondly, there is less sunshine, weaker ultraviolet rays, slower metabolism, and suitable temperature in autumn, which is very conducive to the repair after spot removal. Finally, after the spot removal is finished in the autumn, winter comes and the ultraviolet rays will no longer be rampant, which can effectively avoid the blackening and rebound caused by poor care. VPL photorejuvenation, Q-switched laser, and picosecond laser are recognized as high-efficiency spot removal devices in the beauty industry. VPL for superficial pigmented spot removal and skin rejuvenation at the same time. Q-switched laser for superficial and dermal pigmented spots. Nanosecond ultra-pulse laser blasts directly to the deep skin. Picosecond laser specializes in various refractory pigment problems, and the effect is even better. There are many kinds of spots, such as chloasma, butterfly spots, aestates, freckles, coffee spots, age spots, etc. Different spots correspond to different products. Beauty institutions need to formulate customized spot removal solutions according to the skin conditions of the beauty seekers, combined with the professional skin analysis.